Security isn't optional, it's a mission critical. I am Amit, also known as Cloud Guru Amit, and I'll help you master AWS security with confidence and clarity in this specialty course. Whether you are protecting sensitive data, designing secure architectures, or responding to threats in real time, this course equips you with the skills AWS expects from the top security professionals. My teaching is structured, practical, and designed to help you not just pass the exam but lead. If you are aiming to become an AWS security specialist, this is your launchpad. Enroll now and let's build secure, compliant, and resilient cloud environments together.